So I wanted to show some more about what's going on with the boat. And the reason is, my good friends Tom and Kevin said, "Mark, that video was awesome. Can you show us more?" And I said, "More?" They said, "Yes, more. More about the boat. More about sanding a water line." My wife Julie is like, "We got to see the lines of that boat." So anyway, with all the encouragement of people I know, here's more. So you can see we're at the tail end. I keep talking like me. I'm at the tail end of sanding the boat down. This is the starboard side, right for your landlubbers. Port side, the left side's already done. So here you can see the very last little bit. It's hard to see with the sun in this of what's being done. So that's the last little bit, and you can see the height difference. So almost done with this, and I'm just glad to be able to share with you guys, with all my fans and supporters, more about this.